Mexico City is a food lover's paradise, and its streets are where the magic truly happens. The bustling markets, food carts, and street-side stalls offer some of the most authentic, flavorful, and unforgettable culinary experiences. From savory tacos to sweet churros, every bite tells a story of Mexico's rich culinary heritage. Here's a guide to the best street food in Mexico City and where to find it. 1. Tacos al Pastor. No trip to Mexico City is complete without savoring tacos al pastor, the city's most iconic street food. Inspired by shawarma brought by Lebanese immigrants, al pastor features marinated pork cooked on a vertical spit, shaved into tortillas, and topped with fresh pineapple, onion, and cilantro. The combination of smoky, savory, and sweet flavors is unbeatable. Head to El Vilcito, a mechanic shop by day and taco stand by night, for some of the best tacos al pastor in the city. Another favorite is Taqueria Los Coquillos, a tiny stall in the historic center known for its perfectly seasoned meat. 2. Tlacoyos. These oval-shaped corn masa patties are a traditional Mexican delight, filled with ingredients like refried beans, cheese, or fava beans, and cooked on a comal griddle. Tlacoyos are typically topped with cactus, salsa, and crumbled cheese, making for a hearty and delicious street snack. Look for the blue corn tlacoyo stalls in Coyoacan Market or at street vendors around Chapultepec Park. These handmade treats are always fresh and flavorful. 3. Elotes and esquites. Corn is at the heart of Mexican cuisine, and elotes, grilled corn on the cob, and esquites, corn kernels in a cup, are two street food staples that showcase this beloved ingredient. Elotes are typically slathered with mayonnaise, cheese, chili powder, and lime, while esquites are served with similar toppings but allow for easy snacking on the go. You'll find elote and esquite carts all over Mexico City, but the vendors outside Bellas Arts and in Alameda Central Park are particularly popular. 4. Tlayudas. Known as Mexican pizzas, tlayudas are large, crispy tortillas loaded with refried beans, cheese, meats like chorizo or tasajo, and fresh veggies. Originating from Oaxaca, tlayudas have become a beloved street food option in Mexico City for their bold flavors and satisfying crunch. Visit Tlayudas El Negro for authentic Oaxaca-style tlayudas, or try the vendors at Mercado Roma, a hip food market with top-notch options. 5. Quesadillas, without cheese. In Mexico City, quesadillas don't always come with cheese unless you ask for it. These folded tortillas are filled with a variety of ingredients, from squash blossoms and huitlacoche, corn fungus, to chicharron, crispy pork skin, and mushrooms. Cooked on a comal, they're crispy, savory, and packed with flavor. Stop by Mercado de la Merced or Mercado San Juan, where quesadilla vendors offer endless filling options. Don't forget to add fresh salsa for an extra kick. 6. Tamales and atole. For breakfast on the go, nothing beats tamales, which are steamed masa dough filled with meats, cheeses, or sweet ingredients like chocolate and wrapped in corn husks. Pair them with atole, a warm, thick drink made from corn and flavored with vanilla, chocolate, or fruit. Look for the roaming tamal vendors with bicycles in the early morning hours, or visit Tamalera Los Churrocos, a famous spot for tamales and atole in Condesa. 7. Churros and hot chocolate. If you have a sweet tooth, churros are a must. These crispy, sugary sticks of fried dough are perfect on their own, or paired with a cup of rich, velvety Mexican hot chocolate. The combination of warm, spiced chocolate and cinnamon-dusted churros is pure comfort. El Moro Churreria is a legendary spot for churros and chocolate, with multiple locations across the city. Their freshly made churros and thick hot chocolate are a match made in heaven. 8. Barbacoa and consomme. Weekends in Mexico City mean one thing: barbacoa. This slow-cooked lamb dish, wrapped in Maggi leaves and roasted until tender, is served with warm tortillas, salsa, and lime. Don't miss the consomme, a flavorful broth made from the lamb's drippings. The Sunday barbacoa stalls in the La Roma neighborhood or Mercado de Jamaica are unbeatable. Be sure to arrive early, as barbacoa tends to sell out quickly. 9. Chilaquiles. For a hearty breakfast, chilaquiles are a local favorite. Fried tortilla chips are smothered in green or red salsa and topped with cream, cheese, and a choice of eggs, chicken, or steak. It's the perfect way to start your day in Mexico City. Try Lalo or Café de Tacuba for elevated versions of this classic dish, or visit local fondas for a more traditional street food experience. 10. Nieves and paletas. Cool off with nieves, sorbet-like ice creams, or paletas, popsicles, in unique Mexican flavors like tamarind, guava, and mango with chili. These refreshing treats are perfect for a hot day in the city. Check out Nieves de Garrafa Chapultepec for traditional hand-churned ice creams, or grab a paleta from a vendor near Park, Mexico. 11. Birria tacos. Juicy, flavorful, and utterly satisfying, birria tacos are a must-try in Mexico City. These tacos are made with tender, slow-cooked meat, often goat or beef, served with a side of consommé for dipping. The combination of smoky, spicy, and savory flavors will leave you craving more. Birria El Peza in Mercado San Juan is a favorite among locals for its perfectly cooked birria and rich consommé. 12. Semitas. A specialty from Puebla that has made its way to Mexico City's streets. Semitas are massive sandwiches made with sesame seed rolls, filled with fried meats like milanesa, avocado, Oaxaca cheese, chipotle, and papalo herb. Semitas are both hearty and delicious. Semitas Las Poblanitas in Mercado Medellin serves some of the best semitas in the city. 13. Enchiladas de mole. Mole, a rich and complex sauce made with chocolate, spices, and chili, is a staple of Mexican cuisine. On the streets of Mexico City, it's often used to coat freshly made tortillas, stuffed with chicken or cheese, and topped with sesame seeds. Head to Mercado de Coyoacan to find vendors serving mole enchiladas made fresh and bursting with flavor. 14. Gorditas. These thick corn cakes are stuffed with ingredients like cheese, beans, chicharron, or even mushrooms, and then griddled to perfection. Gorditas are the perfect handheld snack and can be customized with your choice of salsas and toppings. Look for the gordita stalls in Mercado de la Merced or Plaza Garibaldi for authentic options. 15. Pambazos. Pambazos are unique sandwiches made with bread dipped in a guajillo chili sauce before being stuffed with potatoes, chorizo, lettuce, and cream. The result is a slightly spicy, soft, and satisfying sandwich that's perfect for a quick meal. Try the pambazos at Antojitos Maria Isabel in Mercado Jamaica for a classic version of this street food favorite. 16. Barquillos rolled wafers. A sweet street treat, barquillos are crispy, rolled wafer cookies sold by vendors with colorful carts. They're a nostalgic snack for locals and come in various sizes, perfect for munching as you stroll through the city. Look for barquillo vendors in Alameda Central Park or near the Zocalo. 17. Huaraches, named after the traditional Mexican sandal due to their oval shape. Huaraches are thick corn masa flatbreads topped with refried beans, meats, cheese, lettuce, and salsa. They're filling, flavorful, and one of the best street food options for a full meal. Visit the Huaraches de Jamaica stall in Mercado Jamaica for a perfect introduction to this classic dish. 18. Alegrias. A traditional sweet treat, alegrias are made from amaranth seeds mixed with honey or syrup, often topped with nuts, raisins, or chocolate. These crunchy, healthy snacks have been enjoyed in Mexico since pre-Hispanic times. Vendors near Mercado San Juan or at Chapultepec Park often sell alegrias alongside other traditional sweets. 19. Tacos de canasta, basket tacos. Known as basket tacos because they're kept warm in a basket lined with cloth. These tacos are simple but incredibly flavorful. Fillings typically include potato, beans, or chicharron, and they're perfect for a quick snack on the go. Look for vendors on bicycles selling tacos de canasta in Centro Historico or near Plaza Santo Domingo. 20. Marquesitas. Originally from the Yucatan Peninsula, marquesitas are now a popular street food in Mexico City. These crispy crepes are rolled up and filled with ingredients like Nutella, cajeta, caramel sauce, and shredded cheese, creating a delightful mix of sweet and salty flavors. Find Marquesita stands in Condesa or near Park Mexico for a freshly made, warm dessert. Mexico City's street food is a rich tapestry of flavors, textures, and traditions, offering something for every craving. From hearty tacos and crispy gorditas to sweet marquesitas and nutty alegrias, the city's vibrant culinary scene is as diverse as its culture. Whether you're wandering the bustling markets, relaxing in a park, or strolling through historic neighborhoods, there's always a new flavor waiting to be discovered. Come hungry and get ready for a culinary journey like no other.